You're about to start a meeting and you need a webcam only to find that you don't have one handy. As it turns out, the camera in your Android or iPhone device can work as a wireless webcam. All you need is the right software and maybe a few accessories. Before we start, here's a quick tip. Your smartphone is perfectly capable of running applications like Zoom, Skype or Microsoft Teams for video calls while you use your computer for other purposes. However, a webcam would be necessary if you need to simultaneously share your computer screen while you're on camera. The app we're going to use for this demo is called Droidcam, which, despite the name, works for both Android and iOS devices. However, it only works with Windows. For macOS alternatives, check out the article linked in the description below. Setting up Droidcam is easy. First, download the Droidcam Windows client and install it. Then, install the Droidcam app for Android or iOS. Restart your computer to ensure the webcam drivers are correctly integrated. Make sure that both the computer and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open both the client and the app. Look for the device IP address on the phone or tablet screen and note it to enter on Droidcam's Windows client. You should now see this dialog box on the PC client. If not, select Droidcam and then start. Make sure the Droidcam port number is the same on both devices. Select the relevant box if you want to include audio, or you can simply use your own microphone. Now, select Start. You should see the camera preview in the Windows client. In the app that you're using, select Droidcam as your webcam and you're ready to go. Now your smartphone is working as a webcam. Have fun with that and we'll see you next time.